Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial how to get toolbar back. So if you accidentally close the toolbar, like I will select at this toolbar annotate and then you can click X button, it will be close the annotate toolbar. So if you want to get the toolbar back, you can right click like on this 3D dot and then you can go to toolbar. You can choose the annotate toolbar to show again. Now you can move into here. You can add again another toolbar by right click in this point and then go to toolbar and then you can set like into material list. So it will be show for the material list toolbar. To close you can select and then click the X button. Okay, that's it for basic Shift Architect tutorial how to get toolbar back. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.